Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free PagerDuty incident management certification. I will show you the step-by-step process. So PagerDuty is a digital operations management platform that helps organizations respond to IT incident, outage, and critical event quickly and efficiently. It widely used in DevOps, IT operations, and SRE site reliability engineering teams. So here is a breakdown. Incident management. PagerDuty automatically detects issues like server crashes or application errors and alerts the right person or team immediately. Alerting and notification. Send notification via SMS, email, phone calls, or apps to ensure urgent issues are addressed quickly. On-call scheduling helps manage who is on call at that time, so incident always have someone responsible. Automation can trigger workflows, runbooks, and escalate issue automatically to reduce time. Analytics and reporting tracks incident re- response time and trends to improve reliability over time. In short, PagerDuty connects monitoring tools to human responders, makes your IT problems resolve faster, and service disruption are minimized. So this is the registration link. We'll go through the step-by-step process on that. So let me open the registration link. So PagerDuty and this is a power up incident management framework training and a free certification event. So event will be the on Wednesday 8/2025 8:30 a.m. IST, and all the times are in IST morning, and this is evening, and this is late night. So you have to register that. By end of this course, you will be able to understand the life cycle of the incident and the role of the incident responder. Apply best practices for communication, post incident review, and stakeholder updates. Take away tips, tricks for starting or revamping the process in our organization. Who should attend? The course is ideal for DevOps professional, SREs, IT operations, and support engineers and incident commanders who are now new to PagerDuty or want to deeper understanding of built-in class incident management practices. Get certified. Complete the course and take the exam to earn a PagerDuty Incident Management Certification, a valuable credential that showcase your expertise and commitment to operational excellence. Register today and take the first step towards the become an incident management pro. So agenda is there. There is a incident management system and definition, recommended roles and process, post incident review. So there is a register now. So we'll go through that. So put your name, enter your email address, company name, job title, and country. And you want the email from marketing email, yes or no, as per you, yes. Webinar, which one you want to attend? That's the Wednesday, 8th of October. So evening time, success. Then click on register now. So registration for the Power Up Incident Management Framework training completed. We'll look forward to seeing you in the Power Up, and this is the link recommended for you. Go for the webinar and just read one by one. Try PagerDuty free for 14 days. You can install and you can test that one. So in this video, we have learned how to get 100% free PagerDuty Incident Management Certification. It's free. I already shown that step-by-step process. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.